as he started with Pinay Pero rushing about the outside is Polo Queen. Zang also rises in between horses. Then comes Cuts Barawana while Batang Anala is the trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn with Pinay Pero, followed closely by Zang also rises. Then 8 lengths back in third comes Batang Anala alongside his Cuts Barawana while Polo Queen racing in last, racing down the back stretch with Pinay Pero alongside comes Sun also rises. Then comes Batang Anala, Cuts Barawana while Polo Queen is still racing in less inside the 3 octavo with Pinay Pero by about a neck, and on the outside is Sun also rises. Then here comes Batang Anala now trying to get closer into Cuts Barawana, then followed now by Polo Queen, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Pinay Pero, Sun also rises. Then comes Batang Anala, Cuts Barawana, and as they swing to Rome, we have Pinay Pero by about 2 lengths. Sun also rises. Batang Anala, Cuts Barawana is down on the inside. Last 75 meters, we have Pinay Pero, Cuts Barawana is on the outside, and finally it's Pinay Pero, Cuts Barawana. Then comes Batang Anala, Sun also rises, and Polo Queen.
An impressive run para dito sa numero 1, Pinay Pero. From gate to wire nga po yan with FM Donoy Raquel Jr. Mas sa segundo numero 4, Cuts Barawana, 3-horse Batang Anala, and 2-horse Sun also rises. Let's take a look sa replay nitong ating race number 3.